Before we start the video, I want you to subscribe to the best Telegram channel at the first link in the description, where we show our earnings on cryptocurrencies, and not only, our capital that we manage is more than $3 million. Here you will find only the most useful. Thanks for subscribing. Also in the description is a links to verified exchangers, when you register on which, you get a welcome bonus from me. Let's get to the video. The Shiba Inu bears strained. Hello all dear friends. Today I will tell you about the bottom of Shiba Inu. Why is it worth looking at this coin now? Earlier, too, I produced videos on it, and also we will talk about Shibarium, which can change the game and even help Shiba Inu still survive even in the harshest crypto winter. Also, today we are going to talk about whales accumulating Shiba Inu, and they have recently acquired 400,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 tokens into their wallets. As for the cryptocurrency market has shown good growth recently. The capitalization rose to 1 trillion. As for the Shiba Inu chart, everything is clear here. We have a support zone, proven and time-tested, or at least the last 6 months. That is the last 6 months we see that it is a support zone. We have it around 800, 780, so we have a different range here and it goes up to 700. This suggests that if Shiba Inu falls here, it should only be bought here, and we see that the first time we had a rebound in the cryptocurrency market, Shiba Inu pumping at 145%, meaning it showed a correction to the decline, to what we had in the Terra Luna crash, particularly when all the cryptocurrencies fell, and now, after another fall. By the way, that fall was above the bottom, meaning we haven't hit the absolute bottom, which suggests that there is buyer power here and it will give us profits of 100% or even higher. If we look at the weekly time frame, we can go up to the resistance that we set in August, which is 1800, and later on, if we break it up on the weekly time frame, we can go back up to 2000 or even higher. By the way, here's this Shiba Inu chart. Look how it reminds us of the 2018 Bitcoin chart. I mean, look at what we had here. We supposedly had a bottom here and then we failed, and now we're accumulating for a long time. I mean, it's pretty much the same chart we had on Bitcoin. If you look, this is practically this graph right here. Here, consider this one. This is a hype, and this is where Bitcoin was looking for the bottom and failed. So the charts are identical, and this can basically be compared to the chart that we had on Bitcoin in 2018. So the chart is very identical, very clear, and the fact that we were drawn a muddy bottom here and ended up dropping the price lower suggests that there is definitely buying here already, and already smart money is buying. This is also evidenced by the accumulation of whales. That is, they have stepped up and they are buying Shiba Inu. It is worth noting that in the weekly time frame also shows a bullish attitude. By Fibonacci, we can fly down to that resistance that we had in August, and it's clear that such highlights I've told you, that it's really worth waiting for the launch of the second level scaling solution here, called Shibarium, and, accordingly, I believe that 2023 will be the year of Shiba Inu, when it will recover well. Also, I would like to point out that Solana, Dogecoin have recovered and the others will pull up. I believe that January, February are the months when cryptocurrency will recover. This is the time when cryptocurrency will show adequate growth, but it will not be some kind of reversal. Rather, it will be intermediate growth, the kind of growth that we saw on Bitcoin in 2019 and into 2022, before the coronavirus events, because back then, if you remember, Bitcoin went up to $14,000 and then fell to $3,000 when the coronavirus was announced. Something similar is happening to us now, but in order to crash the cryptocurrency market, we need conditions. I would like to point out that those conditions are already looming, because Cameron Winklevoss has called for Barry Silbert to resign because $900 million in debt has not been repaid. This is a big problem, and at the same time, SEC blamed Gemini, which is exactly the Winklevoss brothers' exchange. That is, their exchange may be subject to attack from SEC. If that happens, the Gemini exchange is probably next after FTX, because SEC accuses it of selling unregistered securities, and when that happens at all, when there are some accusations, then the market is unstable. At least we've seen that with XRP. but since Ripple is still dealing with this issue with SEC, we see that XRP is not affected in any way, and XRP went down after the lawsuit, but then recovered. So I think what we can expect is that if there is any problem with Gemini, it could subsequently bring down the cryptocurrency market. And what's being done now? It's throwing cryptocurrencies to the top to make some kind of bottom when it collapses later, either to break through it and scare everyone, or still, to go back to that bottom so that people don't believe that the market can even somehow turn around in the next few years. After all, that's what the big player needs, because 2024 is upon us, Bitcoin is upon us, and I believe that if not in 2024, then in 2025, we're going to have Bitcoin at $100,000. And the coins that are left in the market will survive. They will give huge X's. And this was Cryptanic with you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.